Hello, guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's Wednesday, February the 15th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, with a mistake, this one, yes, made a mistake. I need to trace the error, but 3 puzzles are left. The binary. Then we have a TikTok, and you are interested in the 4 Stars Sudoku number 5967. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is a really 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 2s, 1 2 3s, 2 4s, 4 5s, 2 6, 3 6s, 4 6s. All right, 3 7s. 2 8s and 2 9s. So the 5s and the 6s are majority. Can I start with the 6? Yeah, 6 in this column. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 6 6 6 6 6. 6 6 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. About the 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in the 3rd column. One of the missing number in the 3rd column is number 9. We have a 9 in this big square. No 9 there. Here, 9 in this row. No 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the 3rd column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 here in this big square. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Right, 4 4. 5 5. No 9 here. 9 9. 9 9. Yeah. 3 3 3. Need a 3 here. 7. I'm scanning. 8 should be here. No 2 here. No 2 2 2 2. 1 1. 3 3. 6 6. 7 9. Well, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 9. We have a 9 in the 1st column. No 9 there. Here 9 in this big square. So no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the middle row should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the 1st column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this middle row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7, 2, 6. Yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in that column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay, let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 9 could be here, could be there, here or there, in the third row, here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. Okay, can I continue with 2 now? 9. 7. 7. Need a 7 here. 7, 1, 8. 7, 1, 8. Well, it will be difficult. 1, 8, and a 4. 1, 8, and a 4. Here can be 8, 8, 8. 1, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 8, 8, 8, 8. Ay. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. Same for the 6. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this middle column. So no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Wait. 6, 6. 3, 6, 8, 7. So 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, and the 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Well, let me wait for marking those numbers. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, need a 5, need a 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. All right. 5, 3, 6. Serenity now. 7, 1, 4, 7, and 8 is missing. 8, need 8 there. 8. 2, 5, 5. Oh, wait. Here we have 8. Here we have 5. No 6 here. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes. It'll be the 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 no more. That box should be 6. Now I need a 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes at there. Okay, 5 in this row, last row, 5 in that row, so the row between, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 5. How about the 3? No, 3. 3. Need a 3 there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 3. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the second row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is the number 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes, it'll be the 4, now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 more. That box should be a 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes, it'll be the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. Okay. 2 and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, need to wait. Here, 1 box left in this row for number the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. That means the other 2 numbers in this row should be the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes and there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the first row. No 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 and 8, we have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Same numbers, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Same numbers, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 14 minutes. Wow! This one is quick to solve. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star. But when you made a mistake, just like the previous Sudoku, then you need more time to solve. But we solve it again, And yeah, I'm pleased with the time, 40 minutes. So a 1 star instead of 4 stars. Well, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.